bringing to you the extent of Kentucky's flooding and the challenges ahead. 11 lives lost and over 1,000 water rescues performed. Kentucky's rescue efforts continue despite incoming winter weather threatening to complicate matters. FEMA and mutual aid teams are on the ground, with over 14,000 households still without power and 17,000 without water. The struggle is far from over. Shelters are housing at least 143 displaced individuals. Roads and parks remain closed as floodwaters persist, especially along the Ohio River. In southern Kentucky, there's a glimmer of hope as rivers begin to recede. But for now, the focus remains on rescue and recovery.